A taki trik znacie?
Lepiej odpal sobie aż 2 GB i SMS-y bez limitu za 15 zł. Taki tani trik, bez konsekwencji. Klucz na kartę.
No i plus bombki strzelił.
Emma Haslam.
Can I ask your age, Emma?
I'm 27.
Okay.
And where are you from?
I'm from Derby.
Are you married?
Yeah, I'm married and I've got a 3-year-old daughter.
And I see a pole. I see a skimpy outfit.
I'm trying to promote pole fitness is not for the usual sizes. I'm a bigger lady. And I'm just hoping that people will just see that I'm good at what I do.
All right, Emma. Best of luck.
For you to get up there and have such good body confidence is a massive example to girls all over this country.
Don't care what size you are, you're brilliant at what you do.
I'm going to kick this off with a yes.
It's a yes from me. It's a yes from me.
4 yeses.
I think she should be creating films with the girls everywhere. Yeah, it's brilliant.